Achoo! What's that sound? It's spring and she's caught a terrible cold. Oh no, how will flowers bloom and birds sing? Summer, autumn, and winter gather around their sniffling friend. Don't worry, says Summer, we'll help you. Autumn shares his warm, cozy blanket. Winter offers soothing icicle tea. Summer brings bright sunshine to cheer everyone up. Together they nurse spring back to health. As spring recovers, she realizes how much her friends care. Thank you all, she smiles. I couldn't have done it without you. The seasons dance happily, celebrating their teamwork. From that day on, they always help each other, making the world even more beautiful. Remember, friends, when we work together, we can overcome any challenge. Now, can you name all 4 seasons?